Hello everyone! This video will demonstrate how to make a hyacinth pipe cleaner bouquet. Chapter 1. Our kits come in for colors: light purple, pink jade, aqua blue, and light yellow. Let's show the contents inside the pipe cleaner material kit. Taking the aqua blue kit as an example, the kit contains 1 ribbon, 1 sheet of white inner wrapping paper, 1 plastic bouquet packaging bag, 100 aqua blue pipe cleaners, 1 roll of floral tape, 100 flower stamens, 50 dark green pipe cleaners, 10 flower stems, 1 greeting card, 1 sheet of blue outer wrapping paper. This makes a total of 66 pieces. Kits of different colors will have matching colored outer wrapping paper for the bouquet. Chapter 2. We begin making the hyacinth. To make 1 hyacinth stem requires 6 dark green pipe cleaners, 20 aqua blue pipe cleaners, 1 flower stem, 20 flower stamens, and floral tape. 1 hyacinth stem consists of 10 small flowers like this. First, let's make 1 such small flower. 1 small flower requires 2 pipe cleaners. Mark positions of 3.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters on your finger for ease of petal making. Measure as shown in the video. Important: twist the connection point of the pipe cleaners 1 turn to secure them. All 3 petals are the same length. Use the first petal as a reference. Take the flower stamens. Place them in the middle of the pipe cleaner. Secure them using the shorter pipe cleaner end. The exposed stamen part should be about 1 centimeter. This completes 1 half flower with stamens. Use the same method to make the other half flower. This half flower does not need stamens. As shown in the video, attach the 2 half flowers together. After attaching them together, reshape the petals. Make all 6 petals curl outwards. After reshaping the petals, wrap floral tape around the base of the flower. Once wrapped, one small flower is complete. Doesn't it look lovely? We need to prepare 10 of these small flowers. Next, we make the leaves. Take out 3 army green pipe cleaners. Fold all 3 pipe cleaners in half. Cross one with the other 2. Twist to secure. As shown in the video, finally, secure it with the longer pipe cleaner end. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner with scissors. Prepare to leaves. Use the flower stem and floral tape to assemble one hyacinth stem. Attach one small flower to the top of the flower stem. Secure the connection point by wrapping with floral tape. Wrap down about 3 centimeters. Then attach the next 3 small flowers one by one, securing each with floral tape. The 3 small flowers need to face different directions. Like this, approximately every 3-4 centimeters. Attach and wrap 3 small flowers. Do this wrapping step 3 times until all 10 small flowers are fixed to the flower stem. Continue wrapping the floral tape down another 3 centimeters. Take out the prepared leaves. As shown in the video, attach the 2 leaves to the flower stem. After completing this, continue wrapping floral tape down the entire length of the flower stem. This completes one full hyacinth stem. Every color of hyacinth is very beautiful. Chapter 3. Wrapping the bouquet. Take out the wrapping paper and ribbon from the kit. The colored sheet is the outer wrapping paper. The white sheet is the inner wrapping paper. Place the colored side facing down. When wrapping, the white inner wrapping paper should be slightly higher than the outer wrapping paper. One tick can make 5 hyacinth stems. Arrange the positions of the 5 stems. The top 3 hyacinth stems have stems that are too short, which is not good for bouquet wrapping. Therefore, take out 3 flower stems and extend the stems of the top 3 hyacinths. Operate as shown in the video. Then fold the wrapping paper neatly. Secure it with the ribbon. You can tie a bow for decoration. Finally, place it inside the plastic packaging bag. The hyacinth bouquet is now wrapped. These super beautiful hyacinths are a great choice, whether placed in a vase as decoration or wrapped as an everlasting flower bouquet to give as a gift.